Over the past 300 years, this property had additional buildings with multiple uses: workshop, stable, nursery. And historic photos show that there was also a barn somewhere right about down there. Well, that barn is long gone. A second small barn was built right in about here to house goats and chickens. And when Bill and Helen, our homeowners, bought the property, the barn was in really bad shape. So Charlie and his crew took it down. Homeowner Bill couldn't resist the chance to help.
Oh, you didn't tell me anything about the foot pedal.
That's just moving it back and forth. You don't even have to worry about that.
Okay, that was fun.
The homeowners would like a place to store some kayaks, a small boat, and to house some guests. So they decided to build a colonial-style barn/boathouse with a guest suite right here. And I'm told it's going to be framed up by the end of today. Hey, Everett, nice to meet you.
Kevin, nice to meet you as well.
That hat's a really good idea. It's cold out here.
Cold day.
But we're not going to be out here for that long, right?
No, today we're going to be assembling a barn boathouse. Should only take us 1 day to complete.
Assembled here, but you guys actually put together somewhere else. You guys have got a factory?
Yes, we're panelizing all the wall panels, the roof trusses ahead of time in our facility, and we're going to put it up today. Just take 1 day to complete.
Nice. You guys have been at it for a while.
Yes, 34 years in business. We build barns, garages, sheds all over New England.
That's awesome. Well, you got the crane and the crew on site ready to go.
Yes, we are ready to go.
So what is the process? Let's talk about this wall right here. That's 2x6, right?
That's a 2x6 wall. We frame the walls all in one section. You can see all the headers above the doors and windows, all premium lumber. So we're going to start setting this wall on the roadside first. And the next step is to start setting the other 3 wall panels and get all of them in place and then straightened out.
So tell me about the efficiencies of being able to assemble under controlled conditions.
Well, we assemble the wall panels in the shop, and the advantage is there's very little waste. In fact, all of the little waste we have, we turn into timber pucks, and we sell them. People burn them in their wood stove or fireplace. So actually nothing goes in a landfill.
And so it ends up being efficient in terms of you guys' construction cost savings as well?
Yeah, the cost savings, very efficient, and then we're able to pass the cost savings on to the customer.
And is your crew in the shop, are they working up on tables with jigs and stuff? Are they working down on the floor? Where are they building that?
The neat thing, Kevin, was we build the wall panels right on the delivery trailer that came out to the job site.
Of course you do. Clever.
Makes it pretty nice.
That is awesome. This is the part I was waiting for when you start putting this roof structure up. What am I looking at here?
So right now, Kevin, we have the gable end trusses already pre-built, the 1-foot overhangs on, the windows installed. So we're ready to put that gable on. And once that's done, we're going to start working the rest of the roof trusses down the building and come to the front gable, and the whole building will be up and standing.
That crane really flies them in fast, doesn't it?
Oh, that was amazing. All the trusses in place in just a matter of an hour.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.